Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. The market is moving, cryptos are moving up quite aggressively, and today we want to take a look at one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. It's the SUI chart. It's also one of the best performing cryptocurrencies of the ones that we cover regularly in our Elliott wave analysis. So I'd say let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we are here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. If you've been following the analysis already for a while, then you know that, we cover several cryptocurrencies here on our channel, including SUI, obviously, right? So today what we want to do, we want to take a look here at the chart in our cryptocurrency section. Now you can register completely for free on this website and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates, including the SUI updates, but also other cryptocurrencies. So feel free to register. We'll click on the cryptocurrencies section here. We select SUI, and the idea is currently that we are here in an uptrend, and we'll take a look at that. And while I navigate here to the charts, let me also remind you that we have a new Instagram channel. It's called The Market Intel, and you can follow that one for additional news. You also find a link in the description. Now, let us take a look at the larger time frame. Now, we seem to be in an uptrend, and it seems like that indeed a wave 2 bottomed here in April. I mean, that's the idea. Yeah, then we saw this 1-2 setup into the June lows, and we could be on our way higher. The $5.36 level is really the next main level that needs to be broken to the upside to unlock basically those higher prices. Yeah, so what we want to see essentially is a break above that level, and that could take us then to $10 plus. Yeah, that's kind of a larger time frame outlook. Nothing has changed about that, so the overall focus is and remains on higher prices here for SUI. Just important to understand that we obviously need to hold above the April low, and with a probability of 70%, we see the low as being in. Okay, and we focus on higher prices. There isn't really a target area defined here, but sort of $10 plus seems reasonable if the rally is really a third wave. Now, we can also identify some more detailed wave structures here on the smaller time frame. Yeah, especially here that last swing low at $2.30 obviously needs to hold to keep the uptrend alive. Also here on the smaller time frame, you can see that the rally from that wave 2 low is classed as a 1-2 setup. So we had a 5-wave rally and a corrective pullback. I mean, we talked about that in previous updates, and we seem to be rallying now in a third wave to the upside, and the third wave should eventually take us next above that previous swing high that formed in May at around $4.30. So that would be a local breakout point. The clear condition is now that we are holding above that $2.30 level, because any break below the beginning of the third wave to the upside will kind of lead to invalidation. For now, we're tracking if the market can generate another 5-wave move up, and if that is something that can happen here, 5 waves up, then this could be again a wave 1 of a larger degree third wave in dark blue. You already see here our 1-2 setup, and maybe we can get another 1-2 setup before then the third wave of the third wave actually starts to the upside, which would be quite aggressive. So a third wave in general is typically the most aggressive element of a rally, and that could indeed be next for SUI. Now, the momentum is there. When you watch the video, I mean, at the moment things are really moving fast in the crypto space. So when you watch the video, maybe we've already broken above that $4.30 level, but that's not necessarily a problem. What is important is to understand that if we get another high, we'll probably get 5 waves. And if we get 5 waves, we can add the next trading area to the chart, which would then be relevant in the next pullback. But we just had a pullback in a wave 2, and the levels were defined, especially here the invalidation point. And typically, as long as the invalidation point isn't broken, the structure, in this case we were tracking a bullish structure, right, as a 1-2 setup, that remains a plausible scenario. So we'll see if the market can generate a more decisive upside breakout here, specifically above $4.30. I'll of course keep you updated, but the outlook is quite positive, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website, and also let us know in the comments which other cryptocurrency you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.